good afternoon this time. So we are on our second adventure out in Cornwall. Today we're going to go to St Nectan's Glen. So not a million miles away from where we were in the last video. As mentioned, splitting the videos up. So I am just walking my way down there now. Now I know, just like last video, it's about to absolutely belt it down. So I know I'm going to get wet. I've got my raincoat out of the car now, so that's fine. I just want to get in there, do what I can before I put the electronics away, and then yeah, we'll see what we can do. Worst case, if I don't make it there before the rain, then I'll get my camera stuff back out very briefly to have a little look. I know my camera's theoretically like weatherproof, but things are only weatherproof to some extent. Right, we are here. So little stream down next to me. I just walking through this little foresty section now. There you go. So I have done this walk before, but I don't quite remember how long it is. I don't think it's huge. I think it's only like maybe a mile, so 20 minutes, but from the car. So yeah, shouldn't be too bad. But I'm just hoping, as I say, it stays as dry as possible. Right, I've just paid admission, so we are on our way down the walk now. So the walk down is quite zigzaggy, lots of steps, but we've got to come back up. It's a circular walk, so we come back up a slightly different route. But yeah, we'll get down here. I think, from memory, I believe there's a viewpoint as well. And then you get all the way to the bottom and you can go look up at it. But we'll have a look, see if we can get you a cool view from higher up as well. I'm not going to send the drone up. It's too much water coming for the trees, too much spray for the waterfall, and it's still raining a little bit. So I am no drone footage today, but we'll still get some really good content. Right, I was just saying about how there's a viewpoint. Definitely a viewpoint. So be careful not to drop you, but you can see all the way up and down it. Yeah, very cool. There is also, I don't know if you can see it down here, there's another ledge where we'll be able to walk to and see it from another angle. So yeah, I'm going to carry on. I'm going to have a little look. That was really close, sorry. Right, it might be a little bit dark down here, but I don't remember this from last time. But everyone is signing their names and putting them in the wall. There's loads, look. All of them. How crazy. Very cool. We like things like that. It's interesting, isn't it? So yeah, nice. There is another set of waterfalls just here too, which are quite cool. Love how all the trees are falling down it. Right, I knew it was coming. The rain is here. We are almost at the main waterfall. There's another really nice one here, but I'm just gonna crack on, try and get down before the rain really gets heavy, so I can still get you some video. And yeah, we'll probably end it after I've seen the waterfall. So I'm gonna get a move on. Right, it's like proper raining now, so I'm under shelter currently. I've got a big waterfall behind me, but that's really cool. I'll flip you around so you can see it properly. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? So my walk now is I've got to come up here. I'm going to have to go and see this viewpoint up here, so I'm going to get out there, go and have a look, and then go and get home and get dry because it's been a wet day. Amazing. Right, amazing. That is, oh, that's me done. So, just enjoyed a coffee in the little cafe, which is nice because even the outside bit is covered. So although it's raining, I could sit outside, the seats were dry, I could overlook the house they've got at the top and the forest and so on. So yeah, really, really nice. And good coffee too, so that is always a bonus. I am now making a bit of a rush. I don't want to make a hash of it. I don't want to, you know, rush too much and fall on my ass or anything, but looking at the weather forecast, there is a nice big band of really heavy rain coming. So it's already raining now, but I'm under quite a lot of cover in the forest. So if I can beat the really heavy rain for the last stretch where I have no cover, then quid's in. So yeah, that's going to be it for me today. We're walking back the same route we've already been, so there's not going to be anything else to show you. So really it's just, oh, it's really dark. Thanks again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time, whatever that may be.